In 2018, the Overwatch League explicitly told players not to post about the cartoon frog on social media. They also timed out users for using Pepe-related emotes from their Overwatch, StarCraft, and Heroes of the Storm channels, including those from content.
I'm so glad Blizzard is doing some cleanup, dude. I mean, they were really just dealing with some of the most important, some of the most significant problems.
Creators that played their games. The ban came to light after a tweet by then Overwatch League player Jay Sinatra Wong.
Hyperpoggers 1 month till sub baby, let's go.
Didn't he do some other shit, dude?